Okay, there's going to be some background noise because Dennis is watching TV, so I apologize if there's any swear words on the TV that happen. So you're trying to get this x out of the exponent, and the only way that you can do that, the inverse operation that releases that, is by taking the log of each side. So if I just take the log of each side, I want the log of this, and I want the log of this. That was not me. Then this is what the log, taking the log, looks like. But the power rule, when you have log, let's say, of x squared, that says that anytime you have an exponent, that's going to, go in the front of the log to be multiplied. So I'm going to take all of this 4x plus 3 times the log of 7, and that's going to be equal to x plus 4 times the log of 9. Now, there's a couple of ways you can do this from here, but the log of 7 is a number, and the log of 9 is a number, so you need to find what those numbers are. What I personally would do is divide by the log of 7, divide this by the log of 7, and I'm going to find what that value actually is. So I know that I'll have 4x plus 3 on this side, and that's going to equal to, I'm going to go ahead and do the log of 9 divided by the log of 7. And so that decimal value is about 1.29, whatever. So this I know is x plus 4 times 1.219, whatever that just was, 15. Now, this is a number, and this number is outside of a binomial, so I would take and I would multiply there. So I know I'm going to have 4x plus 3 equal to, this is going to be 1.21915x plus, I take my value, multiply by 4, so 4.5166 let's go with, so plus 4.115, I don't know what I just said, 4.5166. So now I'm back to just solving, where I would subtract the 1.2195x, get it over to this side, and I would bring this 3 over here, and then I'm just left with division, because I'm multiplying, okay? But I have to figure out what this log is, and it's just a decimal, but I take that decimal, and all I'm doing is I'm distributing it to this form, to this binomial, so that I actually have x terms and I have constant terms that I can solve for.